Vitamin D is crucial for maintaining healthy bones and a strong immune system, but many people suffer from vitamin D deficiency without even realizing it. The symptoms of this deficiency can be subtle or severe, affecting multiple body systems. One of the most common symptoms is a feeling of fatigue or tiredness that doesn't seem to improve even with adequate sleep. This can be accompanied by a general sense of not feeling well, or being unwell often, especially during the colder months when sunlight exposure is reduced. Bone pain and muscle weakness are also telltale signs of vitamin D deficiency. This is because vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption in the gut, which is necessary for bone health. Without enough vitamin D, bones can become thin, brittle, or misshapen. Vitamin D deficiency has also been linked to a higher risk of bone fractures. In children, severe deficiency can cause rickets, a condition marked by soft bones and skeletal deformities. In adults, it can lead to osteomalacia, which involves softening of the bones that can lead to poor posture and chronic pain. Mood changes, particularly a feeling of depression, are another symptom associated with low levels of vitamin D. Some studies have suggested that vitamin D receptors in the brain play a key role in regulating mood and warding off depression. Therefore, insufficient amounts of this vitamin might contribute to an increased risk of depression. People with darker skin are at a higher risk for vitamin D deficiency because melanin reduces the skin's ability to make vitamin D from sunlight. Additionally, individuals who are obese or who have undergone gastric bypass surgery may have lower levels of vitamin D, as fat cells extract vitamin D from the blood, altering its release into the circulation. Now, focusing on dietary sources is crucial because getting enough sunlight year-round is challenging for many. Foods rich in vitamin D can help mitigate deficiency. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are among the best natural sources of vitamin D. Just a single serving of cooked salmon provides nearly all the daily recommended intake of this essential nutrient. Fish oils, like cod liver oil, are also very high in vitamin D and can be an alternative for those who do not eat fish. Egg yolks are another good source of vitamin D, particularly from chickens that have been fed vitamin D-enriched grain. The amount of vitamin D in an egg yolk depends on sun exposure and the vitamin D content of chicken feed, but they can provide a useful boost alongside other sources. Mushrooms have the unique ability to increase their vitamin D content when exposed to ultraviolet light. Some commercially available mushrooms are treated with UV light to increase their vitamin D levels and can provide a significant amount of this nutrient, making them a great option for vegetarians and vegans. Fortified foods provide most of the vitamin D in the American diet. Many dairy products, as well as soy milk, orange juice, and cereals, are fortified with vitamin D. These can make it easier to reach the required intake levels, especially for those who have limited exposure to sunlight or have dietary restrictions that limit their intake of the foods previously mentioned. Supplementation can be an effective way to ensure adequate vitamin D intake, especially for those at higher risk of deficiency. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen, as vitamin D toxicity can occur if taken in excessive amounts. The symptoms of toxicity include nausea, vomiting, poor appetite, constipation, weakness, and serious heart rhythm abnormalities. Given the broad effects of vitamin D on health and well-being, ensuring sufficient intake of this vitamin is crucial. Whether through sunlight exposure, diet, or supplements, maintaining adequate vitamin D levels can support overall health and prevent the wide range of symptoms associated with its deficiency. Regularly consuming vitamin D-rich foods and considering fortified products can help individuals meet their daily needs and support bone health, immune function, and mood regulation.